So let's start making our ranch-style sourdough loaf. We'll be starting with 550 grams of water, and we'll be adding 100 grams of 100% sourdough starter. Here's our starter. It's very vigorous. It was fed last night. We'll be using 100 grams. This is a low inoculation at 100 grams. And we're going to be fermenting this bread all day, and then we'll shape and refrigerate overnight. It's going to be a very long fermented dough. Mix that up a little bit. We're adding 750 grams of bread flour. This is the more bread flour. We're going to let this auto leach for an hour, and then we'll add in our bran cracked grain mixture and salt. Let me get my hands in there. So this is mid-morning. It's about 10 a.m. and we'll be fermenting this dough for several hours. This is going to be a long fermented dough, and then we'll also retard the dough overnight. You can see it's pretty sticky. This dough's at 75% hydration. There's no gluten development at this point. There's no gluten bonding. The dough just pulls apart with no real strength. See if we can see what the temperature is. Got dough everywhere. It's about 78 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've got a nice warm dough. It's the perfect temperature for fermenting. I'll let this auto leach for an hour, and then we'll come back and add the coarse grains and the salt.